Today we're in an airplane hangar. We're going to have some Unifi gear and internet controllable outlets to create a system to remotely control the engine preheater for the airplane behind me. Devices we're going to use today, Unifi USG router, small form factor, inexpensive, and plenty of routing capability for what we need to do today. For the Wi-Fi, for the access to the internet outlets that are going to connect to, we're going to use the Unifi Mesh AP access point. We're not going to use it in a mesh configuration, but a typical wired configuration. We have the EtekCity internet controlled electrical outlets, 2 of them in a pair. This is what we're going to use to plug in the cord for the engine preheater. And then for our WAN connection, or our internet capability to come into the building from remotely, we're going to use the Unifi LTE cellular WAN modem. It's really intended as a failover modem. We don't have a primary modem here. We're going to use this as our primary. So the nice thing about it is we can plug it in to any port in the switch. We don't have to plug it into the WAN port of the router. When the Unifi system detects that there's no internet on the WAN port of the router, it finds this device in the ecosystem and pulls internet from that. It's a small form factor device. It also has a small data plan and a small cost. So the benefit is we don't need a lot of internet here. I don't need a regular modem, $60, $80 a month for many gigs of data. I'm just going to be turning on and off the outlets. So I need a small data plan, and I appreciate the small price that comes with it. It's like $15 a month for 1 gig of data. That's plenty to just turn on and off the outlets and check the status of it now and again. Oh yeah, the Unifi 8-port switch. This just distributes network to the various devices, provides PoE to power the access point and the WAN failover modem. That's all we need to get this done. I'm going to set up all the devices, and then we'll come back and we'll check out the setup of the devices in software, configuring it all, and getting it all working. A very basic installation of the router, cloud key, and switch. There are wires managed up the wall. When you're renting a hangar, they don't allow you to drill holes into things. There's our access point. And above that is the LTE modem. That's it. Okay, here we'll dive into the controller and just show you the parts and pieces of the system. We're at the dashboard here. Go over to our devices, and we can see very simply we've got the router, we got the hangar switch, the WAN modem, and the wireless access point. That's distributing the Wi-Fi to the internet outlets. If you look at the WAN modem, you can see that we're online. We've used about 46 megs. Not just for these outlets. I set this up last night at the office, and I was downloading a YouTube video and just checking it out, see if it was fast enough, how quick it streamed, and if we had any spinny wheels or anything. So we've only used a couple of megs for the outlets that we've been playing with since we've installed them. That's about it for the entire system. Now we're just going to show you the operation of the outlet. All right, here we have the app, the VSync app, and our outlet right here, and we just pick the engine heater outlet. Press the button. You might have heard that click in the relay, maybe not. The screen goes green, and in a second it'll update with how much wattage it's being pulled. There you go, 120 volts, 292 watts, and we're working. There you go, turn it off. That simple. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe to my channel, please do. If you think we can help you with one of your projects, you can check out our links below to our website or email. Give us a contact and we'll be happy to help you in any way that we can. Thanks.